The holidays are here, and it's the perfect time to get out of town to visit family or explore a new place. With everyone traveling by plane, commuting by car has never been a better idea. But with so many miles between you and your destination, you never know what could happen along the way. Whether you're going near or far this holiday season, Toyota of North Charlotte is here to help you get there safely and prepared. Number 1. Do an auto maintenance check. On your journey full of holiday cheer, the last thing you want happening is a tire blowout or your engine overheating. Having your battery and oil checked, your tires inspected, and your brakes looked at before you hit the road will help make sure your road trip goes off without a hitch. Our auto service techs will be more than happy to help you so you can get back on the road and back to the festivities at hand. Number 2. Clean the interior. Spending hours on the road is fun, but it also means you're going to be sitting a lot of time in your car's seats with all of your luggage and presents. A clean interior will make it much easier to find everything from your snacks to your aux cable and stay comfortable. Clean out all trash from under your seats and in your door pockets, vacuum the carpets and floor mats, and wipe down all the interior surfaces in your car. Number 3. Pack efficiently. To get all of those presents in your sleigh, you need to be strategic with your packing. If you don't have a lot of passengers joining you on your road trip, take advantage of your fold-down back seats to maximize space. Reserve the bottom of your trunk for large items and put smaller items on top to avoid crushing anything. Try also to avoid packing to the ceiling of your vehicle so you still have a clear view of the road behind you. Number 4. Check your emergency kit. In the event that your car runs into trouble during your road trip, you need to be ready. A good emergency kit should include things like jumper cables, first aid supplies, reflective road signs, a tire pressure gauge, a flashlight, and a rain poncho. You should also check your spare tire to make sure it's inflated to the right pressure level and that you have the right tools in case you need to change it. Number 5. Pack snacks and blankets. If you're traveling a long way, having something quick and easy to eat, maybe like milk and cookies, will help you stay focused and nourished. Blankets will also be a big help for your passengers to fall asleep or stay warm when traveling in cold areas. The perfect holiday getaway requires a lot of planning and prep work, so make it easy with Toyota of North Charlotte. Our auto service techs can get your vehicle ready for the holidays and at an affordable price. Visit us at 13429 Statesville Road, exit 23 off I-77 in Huntersville.